Welcome to SlowTalk English, the podcast that helps you learn English through calm, clear, and meaningful listening. I'm Daniel, and every week I'll guide you through powerful stories, ideas, and reflections, all in slow, natural English. No grammar lessons, no stress, just real language, real topics, and real progress. So take a deep breath, slow down, and let's begin. Imagine waking up one morning and finding the world silent. The streets are empty. The news has stopped. Your phone shows no signal. You step outside and realize something is terribly wrong. This is the beginning of a zombie apocalypse. Of course, there is no real evidence that a zombie outbreak could happen, but today, we're going to explore how you could survive if it did. Based on real survival strategies, government recommendations, and science fiction studies, we'll build a serious, smart, and practical guide. So let's begin. First, let's ask, what is a zombie? In most fiction, a zombie is a human infected by a virus or condition that takes away their consciousness. They don't think, they don't feel, they only move, hunt, and infect others. The idea of zombies became popular through movies, games, and books, but some scientists and agencies have actually used the concept to prepare for real emergencies. For example, in 2011, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, released a blog post titled Preparedness 101 Zombie Apocalypse. It was a clever way to teach people about emergency readiness. It included tips on water, food, communication, and first aid. It wasn't a joke, it was a tool to raise awareness. So, if a zombie outbreak happened today, what should you do? Step 1, don't panic. Staying calm is your best weapon. You need a clear mind to make good decisions. Step 2, secure shelter. Your home is your first defense. Lock doors and windows. Block weak entry points. Stay away from glass. If you're in an apartment, move higher. Zombies, like humans, are slower climbing stairs. Step 3, collect supplies. You need enough to last at least 2 weeks. Water, canned food, a flashlight, batteries, a radio, medicine, and basic tools. Don't forget a first aid kit. And if possible, get a solar-powered charger. Electricity might not be available for long. Step 4, stay informed. If the internet or radio is still working, listen to news updates. Learn where safe zones are. Follow official instructions. In emergencies, misinformation can be dangerous. Step 5, know how to defend yourself. You don't need to be violent, but you should understand basic self-defense. A strong stick, a baseball bat, or even a kitchen tool could protect you if needed. Aim for the head. In fiction, that's the only way to stop a zombie. Step 6, plan your escape. Your home may not stay safe forever. Have a backpack ready with essentials. Know where you would go if you had to leave quickly. A friend's house, a cabin, a small town. Avoid big cities. They get overrun fast. Step 7, connect with others. Don't try to survive alone. Find people you trust. Create a team. Share tasks. Protect each other. Human connection is key to mental strength in any disaster. Now you might wonder, could a zombie outbreak really happen? Not likely. But some scientists do talk about possible real-world causes that resemble zombie behavior. Parasites that affect the brain, rabies-like viruses, or certain chemicals. These are extreme and rare cases. But they remind us that understanding biology and emergency planning is always useful. More importantly, the idea of a zombie apocalypse helps us think about real questions. Are we ready for disaster? Do we know how to survive without modern technology? Can we protect and support each other under pressure? In the end, the lesson is not about zombies. It's about preparation, courage, and community. Whether it's a storm, a power outage, or a health crisis, the skills you learn from zombie survival thinking can help you in real life. And today, in 2025, after all we've been through globally, the idea of being ready for the unexpected feels more relevant than ever. Thanks for listening. That was today's episode of SlowTalk English. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And remember, keep listening, keep growing.